Kam Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPYC kelapens khamno ikinongkit kam Gibapura jongka Ribhoi District Youth Congress Committee RBDYC hagabau secretary ke Indian Youth Congress ubadai pej ya ke MPYC Usamraj Keshari Jina rengkat uba Norbert Jana secretary kelapens khamno ya ikinongkit kam thamai ke RBDYC Uba Stanwell Mani ulasha penskam como presiden rengkat kiwei kibakentop yu samla raplang lingdo nonglain vice president samla Michael Sim general secretary katba yaka kerdan secretary on shimti do samla S lapang badu Desmond Lamare lambat kiwei gidkhon kajing penskam kini kinong yalam ke Ribhoi District Youth Congress Committee kalalong haka praterik unailar arhajar arpenreu hador bar hall kasnong quinine nong lado Ribhoi District bat kani kajinyalang kalalong kabakerpang ban penklain ya ketenat rekam keseng kongres Haribhoi District. Habakran nakaliang ba Stanwell Mani ko presiden batamai ke RBDYC uloong ba kajingrung jong kisamla sya ka politics kamut tang banyele politics henry gidon ya kathong ban syakri bha nagabenta ka imlang kasalang bat kumju ya kari khasihi baro kawai.
Ngasngo ban ai kublei ya kajing simkhia ka jongpi ya kajing lakloi ka jongpi ban penyeso ila de sya ka parti kongres ka bai ka jongi ka parti ka balarim ka parti ka balaslam ka parti ka bapenyo ya ka hok jongi ya ka lombre mandre ka jongi khantam yangi kirit pat ki badan sya kini ki thain ni jong dari India ka jongi nama bahangne midon ya ka hok lom trai ka jongi ba ngiyo bandong trai ya ka sendau ka sia ya riki ka store ya ka sinsha ka khadal ya ka imlang ka salang kita kide ki hok ki bagaseng kongres kala aila lut yangi te balai bana kalyang jongaru kumwei ni ki samarang ba nang nagane ka dong ba ka thanjungi nang ni Ribhoi District ngadon ni ka ni kiting sokhia ban room sya ka parti kongres ban ai ka ta ka jing Kersian yang parti kongres ka ibor ibarit rengkat ka dinya trilang jongi ipara sama ba ka parti kongres kampat yap still kadang im hadap menta wala daga babon na pedeng ki riu ramba ke jongi ki balayalam ya parti ke jongi kila head na kane ke seng na sport ke jongi midon ki MLA kila head kila mi kila room sekiwe ki parti san hima sima idon kino yalam na po district makir unjo kila yami tenroi ka kongres kadang don midang don mangi ki samla kamele ke head ke jongi ka bahae Henry nomor ba kalong kum ka kabu yang ayaki bangintang templan susu ya ka parti kongres na po district kejongi habangi rum sa kasan hima sima kam perkhat ka jong amarwe simet kum banya pasal lang preng jong ki para nong trei ki para members ki isi members pat para ki samla na po district bat ka jela ka jongi hi bara kuwai pat sa ka di India ka jongi kar komperkhat ka jonga habangi rum haka jeli jong kasan hima sima kamtam haka politik kamdamut ba kande tang na menta ka politik kum usamla kamde ka jing kitli ka bangin ya tang na menta ka politik hare ni hak bas ngufu bangin don kata ka jing kitli ba yin tei ya ka imlan ka salang ka jongi kata ka bakongsan baleng ba jong ka jingrung jongi saka san hima sima nyila ban kursan ya ka imlan ka salang nyila ban tentio ya ka imlang ka salang ka jongi ka ka bangai ikum ki samla ka jing ka bangimat ha kini ki sni ka ba ni don menta mo kata ka lomba ka employment barok milong ki brio ki samla ki baklam kam penjam kata ka rigoi ka benengkong kamat kum ki samla kala dei ka por yang i kumno bangin thau kita ki lat kamai bat kilat trejam kata kawai kadai kamat kabaar padai kamat kabakum kisamna ni hakban perkat kadai syafang ka education ka jaka pule puthi ni iba mata balai ni jenjar balai ni duk ni kerduk hadu kadai balai kini kipa jongi ki duk ki jenjar hadu kadai bangin yo ya kita ki jaka pule ki babiat babiang ki bana kalian ka forka kala bu kerpang nyimdon khantam sari boy wat kang kawai ka government college ni padang kata ni don tang te ka Ribhoi college ketika empat ke government ni hak balik ki para persona jongi ki kun iti jongi ki hak ban pule hak school ki baram school private jongo re jongo Kita juai, kata juai kemat ke bakum ke samla ni hampan tempor. Ya ke sorkar bahkan le namanya jingpule. Nanti kita skill development ke pemut bah idon kam banyo ya ki jaga training. Ki training ki prepare. Kum ki samla. Arang inyo ay ki training ki prepare agak sigin dungi kumnong in trekam kumnong in kill. Min yo ay taki skill agak sigin ka dungi.
Charge of the organization, as in charge of this state, some points I want to discuss with you. I'm not only here to discuss, I want to exchange the ideas, I want to exchange the things what you feel. I also want to know what is the problem here and how we all will resolve this. So many problems in this country right now, especially Meghalaya also. So we will one by one we will discuss about that and we will do for that. To do something, we have to organize first. So my question is to my newly appointed president, why you are here as a president of the organization? What you want to do? What is your thought? What is your aim? And thank you very much that you have some vision. Because some people are coming to take the post, to restructure by themselves only. But I am happy to appoint you as a DYC president. Our organization is happy that you have some vision for this district and for this area. That is most important. Everyone should have vision. So what vision we will take? First, empower yourself first. No, if you are telling that I will do work for people, I will make empowerment for people, it is not happening. First, by empower yourself. Your thought, your mind should be that I will work for myself, I will work for my family, I will work for my neighbors, I will work for my village, I will work for my Rivoy, I will work for my Meghalaya. So you start, each and everybody to start for themselves first. If you stand for yourself, then you can fight for others. So your vision is very nice. I'm very happy that a dynamic leader, you are fine, and I'm very sure for your leadership in Rivoy district we will make strong organization, we will make a strong vision, we will make something for pupils. So that is the point that you are here. So the first thing you should find that we are fine, Norbert is fine, and other people are fine that you are a good guy and you are capable to do the organization. So you just find some new youths, new bloods, who is Congress minded, who is liberal, who is neutral, who is believes in the constitution, who believes in the ideas of Congress, and find the guys and appoint them in assemblies, appoint them in blocks, appoint them in districts with discussion of our organization in charge, Balam. Okay, you will contact with them, you both are find the good pupils and first structure your organization. If you are alone to go somewhere, then no one will give you value. If we go with the team, then everyone will give you value. Like you are going to meet Tahsildar, BDO, DM. So if you have some strong support, they will give you value and they will listen to your words and they will work for you. So first, in this month of August, you will restructure your organization in block level, in assembly level, in district level, with coordination of Balam. Balam is the in charge of this. You discuss with them. If anything is there, problem, your organization in charge is here, Norbert is there, Kim Jim is there, and finally I am also here to help you. So first we have to organize, restructure our organization. Okay? Then